Hello, my name is Megan from Sentient Body, and today we are going to do a meditation for all five senses. So there is a prop that we need for this. Make sure that you have, your favorite cup of tea or coffee, or even a favorite treat. I'm going to do this with a warm beverage. So we're going to need that as something to focus on for today's practice. This is a practice to help us come into the present moment. It's particularly good during times of stress and distraction when you're feeling kind of all over the place. Helps to center you in this moment, and it can be a really nice way to start your morning. And again, you can make this a 1-minute practice or a 10-minute practice. Start small like all practices and return to it often. So the benefits of meditation, of course, is that it helps to grow gray matter in our brain. Gray matter is where all the neuronal connections happen. So, all those electrical signals that we send through the brain happen there. And it's just linked to positive mental health. It helps to improve mood, helps reduce the symptoms of anxiety and depression. And it can also help to, reduce brain fog, reduce physical pain, reduce feelings of fatigue, improve sleep, and support the immune system. So there's lots of great physical and mental health benefits to meditation practices. So let's begin sitting comfortably, spine tall, noticing your breath. You can let your eyes come to fall softly somewhere, or even let them close. Turn your attention inwards. As you breathe, I want you to become aware of what you hear. Notice the small sounds in the room around you. Maybe the tick of a clock or passing cars. Maybe there's noise from other people nearby. Just notice the rhythm that the sounds make. And I'm going to come into the next sense here, which is touch. So if your eyes are open, open your eyes, reaching for your cup of something yummy. Let's bring that up and just holding it in your hands. Eyes coming soft or closed again. Notice the weight of the cup in your hand. You can even move your fingers and notice the texture that your cup is made out of. Becoming aware of the temperature. Quickly scanning through the body to notice where your seat meets the floor. Noticing which parts of you are touching something else. Taking a deep breath here. Let's bring our drink up to our nose, taking a few nice big inhales through the nose. Noticing any smell that may come with it, and exhaling through the mouth. As you breathe here, notice what you're smelling. If any memories spring to mind, what they may be. Noticing what thoughts or feelings come up. Taking a deep breath here, inhaling into the belly. Exhaling fully. And let's come to take a sip of our yummy treat. Noticing how it feels when the liquid touches our mouth. You maybe next time bringing some liquid into the mouth and just letting it sit there. Notice how it feels as the liquid swishes across your tongue. Paying attention to the temperature, the texture. Swallowing is needed. And again, noticing any thoughts or feelings that may arise as you take small sips of your treat. Noticing how it feels as you swallow. Maybe squishing your lips together. And lastly, let's come to open our eyes, looking down. Noticing the small ripples through the liquid in your cup as you gently move it. Becoming aware of the color. Letting your breath deepen for the last 2 breaths here. And just notice, without moving your head, just become aware of everything in your eye line. Noticing the contents of your cup, the container that it's held within, the shape your hands take. Becoming aware of all of the colors in your eye line. Taking a deep breath into your belly. Exhaling fully. And we'll leave it here for now, but as I mentioned, feel free to practice this often. This is a great way, if you're a coffee drinker or a tea drinker, to start your morning. It can be really nice to carve out 5 to 10 minutes to really just notice your experience in your morning routine and stay present with it. So thank you for joining me for your practice today. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to send me an email or reach out on social media. And be sure to give us a follow on Instagram and Facebook at Sentient Body. Namaste.